Chloe and Friends and Story Time. Chloe sat on her windowsill, gazing at the sky filled with glimmering stars. What does heaven look like? She wondered aloud. Her grandma had recently passed, and she missed her dearly. That night, Chloe had a dream. She was soaring above the clouds, the stars twinkling merrily at her. An adventure to find heaven had begun. In her dream, she first landed in a land of candy. She was happy but knew this wasn't heaven. Grandma wasn't there, so she continued her journey. Next, she reached a place filled with toys. But without Grandma to share the fun, this couldn't be heaven. So, she moved on. Then she stumbled upon a land of books. Her grandma loved stories, but this still wasn't heaven. She took a deep breath and continued his quest. Suddenly, she felt a warm embrace and a familiar voice whispering in her ear, "Heaven is where love resides, my dear Chloe." It was Grandma. Waking up, Chloe realized heaven is real and it's full of joy. And that's where Grandma was. Hi kids, hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you, bye bye.